it's Christina XO and I'm back with another video. Today I'll be giving you guys my eyebrow tutorial. Now if you know me, then you know eyebrows is the first makeup thing I taught myself how to do, and I did it from watching YouTube videos, and now my friends ask me how do I do my eyebrows and if I can do their eyebrows, so I'm gonna show you how to do your eyebrows. Simple. Okay, before I get into it, like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy the video. So, I'm going to first start off with showing you guys all the products that I use. We're going to start with the Anastasia, whatever her name is, Beverly Hill Dipbrow pomade in the color chocolate. Then to conceal, I use LA Girl Pro Concealer in Espresso. And I use the Black Radiance BB cream in the darkest shade. SPF 15. I don't know. I use this as well, and this to clean up the top, and this is to clean up the bottom, because you know I don't like to have that halo effect. I don't like that. I use this beauty blender by, what's the name of that blush? We forgot. But beauty blender. It's not the actual beauty blender, but it's the off-brand. I forgot their name. Then we have this Morphe brush, M224 for concealer. I might use this, might not. Then we have this e.l.f. brush, don't know the name, got it from Walmart. And then we have the Anastasia Beverly Hill 14 brush. It has the spoolie and the thingy, the brush. Yeah. Okay. So let's get into it. Oh, also have Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette. I only use this for, I'm using this for the highlight for here, to highlight my brow bone, you feel me? So, let me show you guys. I'm taking off my glasses. Beware. I don't like how I look without my glasses, so whatever. First, what I start off with when I open my Dipbrow pomade, looks like this. I spray it with my Focus, yeah, my Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray, just because this stuff gets dry, and I don't like that. I mean, I like the product, but I don't like that it gets dry, so I just press a little bit. I'm gonna do it away from the camera though, because I don't want to get on camera. You can't see it, I don't think, but I don't want to get that on camera. That's not the top for this. I'm a mess today. Okay, so what I first do is I brush my brows into place. Okay. And then I take the brush, and this, if I'm looking away, it's because I'm looking at the viewfinder so I can see myself, and I'm also looking at the mirror down here, so like I'm not looking at the camera, it's because of the lamps. But we take this, get a little bit, I don't know why, okay. So first what I do is I outline the bottom of my brows, and if you can notice, my brows on the tail look a little skimpy because my barber made my eyebrows too thin. That's why I'm starting to do my eyebrows every day, because I don't like how they look. They're like really, really skinny. But anyways, so we're gonna start off with the right side, because I obviously don't know my left from my right. We're gonna start off with this side, and we're just gonna outline it. I hope you guys can see. Can you see? I'm gonna come a little closer so you can see. Outline. Then we outline the front. Then we get some more. Then we brush it some more. Just brush it down a little bit, and then we're gonna outline the top. I'm trying to figure out which mirror I want to look at. And then we're gonna brush it out a little bit. Take some more. Fill it in. Now this is the part where I just fill it all in. Now I'll warn you guys, my eyebrows be looking really weird when I like fill them in. But once we get the concealer going, that's when the magic happens. Let me tell you, that is when the magic happens, because I probably look like a mess until I conceal them. Now, with me, I hate that halo brow where it's like, it's just, if you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. I hate that. So what I do to prevent a halo brow is that I take a little bit of product, my brush, and then when I get to the center, I just flick up and create fake brows, like fake little hairs. That's what I do, because I can't stand them halo brows. Okay, that's so ugly to me. If you do it, shame on you. Take all offense, because it's ugly and you need to stop. And then we're just gonna blend. Okay, so we're filling in some more. As you notice, I'm making my tail a little bit fatter because, again, Shorty messed up my brow. So we just making her a little thick. And we're just gonna keep doing the same thing I'm doing. And we just need to blend it, because you know you want to blend those brows, baby. You want to blend them brows. And then we're gonna do the other side. Same thing, same deal. I might speed this up. If I speed it up, don't be upset. You know, you might not want to see both brows. You feel me? Before I prep, I'm gonna prep my beauty blender is still a little wet from last night, so it's like whatever. But we're just gonna prep a little bit. Just let's spray it. I sprayed it all. So now we're taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer. So we're just gonna take some. Wait, camera's over here. We're gonna take some off just a little bit. And then we're going to conceal. Okay, so then we're going to take Beauty Blender. I'm just going to blend. And we're just gonna do the other side. Just I'm recording.
Okay. Did you stop?
No.
I was gonna show you how to play it back.
I'm recording. I'm like in it.
Right now.
Yes. Okay. This is like mad product on me. But anyways. So we're gonna do the other side. Like I did that side. Blend to your arms for a wall for guard. Okay, so that's the bottom part. Now we're going to get to the top part, BB cream. But this is like, bro, this is like a perfect match for my skin. Like if I could find this in a foundation, I'd be set. Like this matches my skin completely. Okay. Me in a bottle. Me in a bottle. Me in a bottle. That as you peep, we didn't use the Morphe brush I didn't think we were gonna use. So next, favorite step, highlights. trying to show y'all different lighting so y'all can really see the brows. I can't wink. Ew, don't do that. Okay. So, that was my eyebrow tutorial. Thank you for watching me. Follow my social medias. I forgot to put it in the beginning, but they're gonna be right here. It's also gonna be in my outro, so you'll see them again. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, follow me on my social medias, and I'll see you next time.